Howie the Butcher here. On this video I want to share a recipe with you that a good friend of mine shared with me. It's fast, it's easy, and when you're done you got the whole meal all in one thing. And all under an hour, you're good to go. Let's start off with the ingredients. Jumbo hot dogs is what I like to use. These are 4 to a pound size. Now you can use any jumbo hot dog, any sausage, fully cooked sausage that you like. It all works. But the reason I like the big ones, you can lay them open and you get a lot of mashed potatoes in them. So we got the jumbo dogs, mashed potatoes, partially cooked bacon. The reason it's partially cooked because we're not going to bake it long enough to really cook the bacon. So I'm putting 2 half strips on each one. So we got 8 half strips in there, and also going to top it with cheese. Also use the instant potatoes. They're easy, they're fast. All right, now I'm going to show you how I lay the hot dog open. You don't want to cut through it all the way, just enough so you can lay it open and get your potatoes in there. Alright, so now I've got a greased baking dish. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping them. So we're going to lay the potatoes in there. Okay, just like so. Then we're going to put them in our baking dish. So we're going to continue with all of them. And that one packet's about right for these 4 jumbo dogs. So, alright, so now we are going to cover it with shredded cheese. This is a mild cheddar. You can use sharp, hot pepper cheese, whatever you like. It's all good. So we'll just get plenty of cheese on it. Now, I'm going to put the 2 half strips, just lay them across it. And it's not cooked all the way, so you'll get some really nice good drippings off of it, which of course adds a lot of flavor. It's all prepped, ready to go in the oven. We're going to start off baking at 350 for 15 minutes. Really all you need to do is heat it up. So, okay, our oven's preheated, 350. So we're getting ready to pop it in the oven, but I forgot a couple things. First of all, again, I want to thank my good friend for giving me this recipe. Hence, I'm going to call these Miller dogs. So you'll know what I'm talking about when I say it's Miller time. Now, I'm going to put a little black pepper on top. I got to have pepper on everything, pepper and garlic. So that's going to be our last touch. In the oven she goes, 15 minutes. We'll be back with the finished product. All right, here we are. Just 15 minutes. Here they are. Look at that golden brown bacon. Looks fantastic. So I'm going to talk a minute about garnishments. They're good as is, but I love my garnishment. Ketchup, mustard, horseradish, and chopped onion. I like it all. You could also do bacon bits. You could put chili on it. Or they don't need nothing at all, really. They're plenty good. But let's get one doctored up for myself here. So, okay. Ketchup, a little mustard, put some horseradish on there. Like I said, you don't need anything. Actually, it's plenty good how it is, but use your own imagination. Eat them as is or put something on it. So, now it's the final test here. Oh man, that's good. Just remember, you don't know what to cook some night, just say, it's Miller time. Remember, if you don't know meat, know your meat man. Till next time, Howie the Butcher.